Okay, hello. We've been talking about different ways of approaching an idea for collaboration. Now, this way, I think, it's an easier workflow than merging documents later, because that just adds a step to it that, frankly, I could teach you, but you might not want to learn, and definitely, I don't believe we'd get to students at this year level with it. So let's take a look at this way of doing it. I'm starting off with a document here called Body Systems. First tip here, double click on that, and then if you click up here, it'll automatically become that name. Save yourself some typing. So here we are. I've got select the human anatomy system below to begin. 1, 2, 3, whatever, a number of them. Here's what I suggest we do. I will now click on this. Actually, no, let's not do that. Let's do them one at a time. I'm gonna, first of all, get rid of those. I stole this from the internet, so this is what we need to do. Not normal text. Let's make all of these headings. I like heading 3, just a thing with me. In fact, let's try something else. See if we can just do all headings. It's heading 3. Okay. Now this way now, when I enter return, you'll notice up here it goes back to normal text, because here's where the students now, I'll go to more so I can get rid of the bullet. Here's where the students can start putting in their information. In fact, you could get, I would probably get rid of all of these bullet points. Why don't we just do that? I'll go back. Get rid of all the bullet points. Doesn't look good. At the end of it, it says here heading 3, but once I hit return, it goes back to normal text. You could even have student names here, and then you could have student content here. If they're working in groups, one person types at a time, or you could add into different categories. It's up to the students how you work with the actual collaboration. That's not a tech issue, right? So then I can now click up here. Let's go, I'll get rid of that. And if you go up here to insert, and down here, the very bottom, to table of contents, what you have now is a situation in which if you click on this, you go right to that section. So there's no problem, even though it's a huge document, students can go back and forth quite easily. The problem is now, scrolling back to the top gets difficult. So I'll click here, again I'll insert. This time I'm going to insert above table of contents a bookmark. So now, if I go down to the very bottom of the page, click, it gives you the link, boom, I'm here. I like to do this at the end of every section as well when I have a big document. Type in back to top, click and highlight it all, and then I can link that with this chain icon. I'm going to go to bookmarks, easy to find, I've only got one, body systems, and apply it. So now I can copy this, and I can put it here underneath every one, so that every person can get easily back up to the top when they want. So let's see what happens when I click it and I go to the link. I'm back at the top. Okay, I'm in the endocrine system, so I need to work here, right? Up, back to top. I'm in the muscular system. Takes me right here. So this achieves what I believe you wanted to do, where everyone's collaborating on one document, but they're only collaborating in their own space, and it's easy to get there and to jump back and forth through it. Again, if you really want, we can merge documents. There's a way of doing it, but it relies on somebody else. And really the whole idea behind Google Docs and Drive is that you don't have to do extra steps. It can be done automatically. So there it is. It's an idea, I think, that will make this work well, and it shows you how to do it. If you're interested, I can get you all together and teach you how to do these things so we can be doing it together instead of just watching a video. Okay. This is a longer one. I hope it's helpful. Thank you very kindly.